second to look at your hands. Open them, close them, and pay special attention to the very tips of your fingers. While you're doing this, I'm going to tell you a story. Everyone in here has broken a fingernail before. It's painful and it's never fun. But imagine this is an everyday occurrence for you. Because it happens so frequently, you decide to go see a doctor. You go into the doctor and you go into the doctor thinking he's going to recommend a diet change or a pill or something, but instead he looks at you with a straight face and says, let's just chop off the tips of your fingers. No more fingernails, no more problems. If you're anything like me, the thought of losing the tips of your fingers makes you cringe. But this is an everyday occurrence for cats. According to Professional Veterinary Association, approximately 25% of all cats in the US are declawed. Today I'm going to discuss declawing cats and a couple other procedures which are inhumane to our best friends. Dew claw removal on dogs, tail docking, and ear cropping. I feel that I'm qualified to talk to you on this topic because I am a veterinary technician and have assisted and watched many of these surgeries. The first topic I'd like to discuss is declawing cats. Declawing cats is done one of two ways, the excisional method or the guillotine method. The excisional method, they remove the most distal part of the cat's toe. They sever the ligament that connects bone to bone, and with either a scalpel or a laser, and it can cost anywhere from $150 to $500. So during this method, they would cut right here and remove this bone and just pull it off the cat. The guillotine method, which is the second most common method, is where they cut through the last bone on a cat's toe. They do so using what is essentially a large pair of fingernail clippers. It costs less because it takes less time, but it runs more risks, such as clipping through the pad of the cat's foot. Dr. Patty Barrett, a licensed and practicing veterinarian of over 20 years, when asked, said, "People are set on doing these procedures, so I instead recommend a tendinectomy." And a tendinectomy does not remove the claws, but it prohibits cats from being able to extend their claws by clipping the tendon that pulls the claw out of the sheath. The tendinectomy requires more attention, however, because the nails still grow while they're inside the skin, so if not clipped properly or routinely, they can grow, curl and grow into the cat's pad. It is, however, less painful in the long run. Other alternatives to clipping your cat's nails include multiple scratching posts, vinyl nail caps, which are little caps that just glue onto the tips of the cat's fingers, regular nail trimmings, pheromones to help calm your cat. Humans need to realize that scratching is normal and healthy. This behavior helps cats relieve their stress. So taking away scratching from them can result in cats being aggressive, territorial, and going to the bathroom outside of their litter box.